An industrial and manufacturing engineer is a student that makes things better. It's an engineer that's going to look at the processes, at the systems, and try to make things either more efficient, more productive, or actually cost less. At the bottom line, make more money.
The new manufacturing that's been developed, there's always going to be work. And you also have to think about the fact that the manufacturing and industrial engineers could also work in service industries.
We have all different centers. We have TMAC, that's Texas Manufacturing Systems Center. We have Rapid Response Manufacturing Center. We have Center of Excellence in Manufacturing. Students are going to get opportunity and work in those centers and be supported and paid. So good opportunity for our students.
The students that I think would be a good fit for our department are those students that have both the business acumen and the engineering skills. If you're good at math, if you like to solve problems, but you also have a vision for what's going to be critical for your company, maybe you want to be an entrepreneur or you already have your own company that you're dealing with, then you really want to consider what we offer in industrial and manufacturing engineering.
You could either, do research or work on projects with the faculty. You could go out and get internships, either here in the Valley or outside the Valley. So as much as we want students to work for companies, we also want students to start their own companies. And this provides you probably with a good thrust to be able to do that.
Our success rate has been over 80% for the last 3 years of students having some sort of academic or industry experience.
I went to Cummins and I had the opportunity to relate all that knowledge to the projects that they assigned me there, and it was pretty much the same. Like you get the overall or the big picture of the projects and the engineering background.
The reason I chose to study manufacturing and industrial engineering was because I heard about how challenging it was and that it was about improvement in general. Not everybody has the opportunity to have industry experience. So thanks to my John Deere internship, I was able to reaffirm I chose the right career, and it would not have been possible without the manufacturing and industrial engineering department.
The opportunities provided by the manufacturing and industrial department are really good. Thanks to that, I was able to get an internship with Cummins, and I learned more that the manufacturing department and the manufacturing degree is a really versatile career because you can choose your path.
You can work in the automotive industry, from working in the medical industry, owning your own business, or doing a lot of things where you can make somebody else's life better.
One of our courses, we do it with students from China, and we're also including students from Chile. So our students are having this international team experience that not very many universities in Texas are able to provide.
You always have the opportunity of talking to your faculty advisor. You always have the opportunity of addressing any issues that you have, and you're always going to get the help that you need, one-to-one.
We focus on student. We care about the student. And also UTRGV manufacturing engineering is about innovation. It's about prosperity of our student in the future.
To either be able to move up in the company that you choose to work for, or to start your own company, which to transform the Valley to the next level, that's one of the things that's going to be very important in the future.